Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and today I want to show you how to wash a synthetic wig. It's really easy and so let's go. So I know there are a million tutorials out there how to wash your synthetic wig, but since I always do my videos in 2 languages and I did one in German, as I get a lot of questions from my German followers, I thought of course I would also do one in English. So if you already know how to wash your wig, I'm sorry for taking your time and boring you, but maybe there's also someone out there who is following me and hasn't seen it yet. I always assumed this is something so simple and easy that everyone has to know, but of course there are always newbies and beginners and people who start wearing wigs for the first time, and they of course have no idea how to wash a wig. So since I had to wash one right now, I thought, why not make this short tutorial? And I'm really gonna keep it short. So I'm washing a wig with a basic cap today, but this is the same procedure on every cap, no matter what the features. I know that others say that you have to be really careful with the fully hand-tied styles, and there are certainly tips you can follow. I just tell you how I do it, and I don't follow a lot of these tips and do it my way. And I can just tell you that nothing ever has happened. So let's start at the beginning. First, I'm filling the sink with water, not full, just so that the full wig is covered with water. And they always tell you to use cool water. Now, I really don't like cool water that much. It's like taking a bath. I don't want to take one with cool water. So I always use lukewarm water, and nothing ever has happened. Of course, they tell you not to use warm water or hot water because temperature can change the synthetic fibers, of course. But even with styles, heat-defying styles that I wanted to straighten after washing, I used really warm water, but not too hot, of course, but really warm, and nothing happened. They still had the same waves or curls as before, and even though I would have liked for them to get a little straighter, but that really didn't help, so why not wash them with warm water? And then I give like 1 or 2 teaspoons of shampoo into the water. You can use whatever brand you like and prefer. I really don't have any preferences when it comes to shampoo. I think they're all good and they're all doing the job. I have one by Ellen Wille, John Renault, Tressalure and other brands, and I use them all. Then I swirl the shampoo in the water with my hands and make sure that it's dissolved properly. And then I put the wig into the water. And now there are guys who move the wig around through the water and take it in and out and stuff like that. I never do this. I always just put it into the water and let the shampoo do its work. Now, if it just has product in it, or if it's not really dirty, then this is definitely enough. If you have some makeup stains or something and you want to remove them, then of course you can use your fingers to rub a little to get that makeup off the cap. Then of course you have to be careful with a lace front or a mono top, and you can't rub too hard in order not to tear the lace, of course. But other than that, I just leave it in there for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Then I take it out and rinse it under warm flowing water from the tap and wash out the shampoo. And after that, I fill the sink again with warm water, and then I always use conditioner. Since I find this really helpful, I think they are smoother afterwards and they move better, and it's just good. And that's why I always use conditioner. And with the conditioner, I absolutely have a preference, and that is the Aesthetica conditioner. I always use the Nourish and Renew Wig conditioner, it just says it restores and detangles, but of course I would suggest you detangle the wig before you wash it. But I really like this one, and I always use this since I think it works really well and it also smells really good. Then I let the wig stay in the conditioner for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes just 10, it depends. And I wouldn't actually let the hand-tied styles stay in there for over 30 minutes. They tell you not to do that. I think I never did that, but you know, I've had them in there for 20 or 25 minutes and nothing happened to the fully hand-tied styles either. Then afterwards, I take it out and of course, rinse well again with warm water. And then everyone does it differently. Some then wrap the wig into a towel and pat it dry. I actually just, you know, rinse it out like a towel or something and just rinse out the water, the excess water. And then I give it a good shake over the bathtub. And after that, I, most of the times, hang it upside down to dry using one of these, I think these are hangers for boots. I think that's what I bought this for originally, but now I use it for my wigs. They have this clip and you can just clip the wig. I always clip it at the tag in the back, and then it's really practical to just hang it. And then I leave it there overnight and it's dry in the next morning. And that's it. It's really simple, isn't it? So I hope this little tutorial is helpful and you liked it. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my future videos. And there's a new one coming out each Friday. Now, thank you all so much for being here. I really appreciate it. I hope you're well, stay that way, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. So maybe you also like this tutorial here, or here's my list of all my tutorials, and you just have a look there.